Hey everybody, my name is Keon and I'm an account executive here at Icon, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how easy it is to use ORID. So if you take a look at the screen here, this is our sample app. You can visit this yourself at any time by going to demo.orid.io. And for those that don't know, ORID is a multi-chain auth and wallet creation solution for onboarding new and existing users onto your Web3 app. So what we do is we allow for users to log in with any of the Web2 OAuth methods that they're used to, like Facebook, Google, email, SMS, Twitch, Discord, and more. In this example, as you can see, we have Facebook, Google, and email as part of our sample app. So let's go ahead and dive right in and see what it's like to log in. So I'm going to be using email today. So if I go ahead and click email, it's going to prompt me to enter my email. And this is the first time that I will be logging in with this email. So let's go ahead and type that in. It's going to send me a verification code. So I will go ahead and pull that up. There it is. Enter my verification code. It takes about 12 seconds here, sometimes less. And as you can see, we are creating a wallet in this instance. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in a 6-digit PIN, confirm that 6-digit PIN, hit continue. In a couple seconds here, we will have created an on-chain account on the Wax testnet. So as you can see here, we have authenticated. We currently have a balance of 2 Wax. Now that was actually done via an airdrop, which is a capability of ORID. I'm gonna go ahead and click this button to claim my free NFT. So we're actually minting an NFT on the Wax testnet. So I'll go ahead and click that. You can see that we have the ability to load listed tokens, available tokens that are on Atomic Hub to buy. So if I go ahead and load these here, and as you can see, it took a second, but we're able to refresh, and the NFT that we minted is now in our wallet. I can go ahead and load some listed tokens. And these are just example tokens that we have made, or example NFTs that we have made. We have 2 Wax, so let's go ahead and buy an NFT. So I'm gonna go ahead and click 8207 here, click buy. It is going to prompt me to put in my PIN. So I'm going to put in the PIN I recently created, hit approve. And just like that, boom, we have purchased our first NFT. So if I go ahead and refresh the page, you will see that we now have 2 NFTs in our wallet. One of them was the one that we minted, and one of them was the one that we just purchased. And I have depleted my Wax account by spending the 2 Wax on that NFT. We also have the ability to put these up for sale. So I can go ahead and click offer for sale here. It's going to prompt me my PIN, which is how I sign transactions. Go ahead and put that in, click approve. And just like that, I have listed an NFT for sale on Atomic Hub. So I'm gonna go ahead to the Wax testnet. You can see the transaction history here. We have sent it to Atomic Market. I can go ahead and view my account, my wallet on Atomic Hub. So let's go ahead and do that. And we will see that here are the 2 NFTs in my wallet. If I click this one here, we can see, oh, it's actually the other one. So if I click this one here, we can see that this NFT is on sale, and someone has the ability to go ahead and make an offer, but I would have to log into Atomic Hub to do that. And if we go up here, copy our Wax address and post that into the Block Explorer, we can see that all the transactions that we just did as part of this example were in fact done today, May 25th. Received the airdrop, we're able to mint an NFT, sent the token, received the token, and you can view the transaction history here. So that is all for our demo today. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me via email at kion@icon.com. That is kion@aikon.com. Or you can join our community via Discord or Telegram, which will have links below. So yeah, we look forward to hearing from you if you have any questions or want to check us out. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.